favepay is one of the most rewarding digital payment platforms today, offering cashback on every transaction. The best favepay cashback trick is all about maximizing your rewards consistently. To start, always link your debit or credit card with favepay. The platform often provides additional cashback percentages when payments are made using specific linked cards. This is the first step to ensuring every dollar spent gives you back more. Next, take advantage of merchant-specific promotions. favepay frequently partners with restaurants, online stores, and lifestyle services. Transactions at these partnered merchants often come with extra cashback percentages on top of the standard rewards. Identifying these merchants and timing your purchases during active promotions significantly increases your total cashback. Stacking offers is another critical part of the trick. favepay allows you to combine merchant discounts, card-specific offers, and the base favepay cashback. By carefully planning your spending, a $50 transaction can return as much as $10 or more, depending on ongoing offers and card-linked bonuses. The key is to monitor the favepay app regularly, as promotions change weekly. Additionally, favepay's referral system is an easy way to boost rewards without extra spending. Referring friends or family adds instant cashback to your account, which can accumulate quickly. Pair this with cashback from transactions, and your total earnings increase substantially. Finally, always use favepay for recurring payments, such as utility bills, subscriptions, and food deliveries. These regular transactions may seem small individually, but they contribute to a significant cashback total over time. By consistently applying this approach, a simple $200 monthly spending can yield $30 or more in cashback, effectively saving you money while you spend. This method leverages the platform's full potential, turning every payment into a smart investment.